This is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol VBLT. Okay, we'll be looking at 4 charts. This first chart is a daily chart, and this shows that VBLT has been trading in a downtrend with 9 red candles in a row. Candles are forming below the middle Bollinger Band, which is currently at 7.21, which is the dotted purple line, and they're also trading below EMA's 4 and 8 resistance, and they're riding the lower Bollinger Band currently at 638 support lower. Now you can see on Friday the candle formed below the lower Bollinger Band. So this is something we look for after a multi-day pullback. So this is the run is getting overextended to the downside. If you look up here at Fasto, you'll see that it's at 5.37. So it's at extreme oversold levels. So that is confirming with this. So this is a downtrend, and we will be looking for a bounce. So this is the second chart, and this is another daily chart. And so you could look up here, and you can see Fasto at oversold levels. It's at 5.37, and this is a prior support level. You can see it bounced several times from this level. So this will be this is extreme oversold. And then if you look up here, RSI, you'll see RSI is below 50, and it's hitting this support level from back here in September. That was before the run in September. This 40 support level got hit on RSI, and then boom, big run followed. So this chart shows the red descending resistance line is the key level to break. This 595 to 6 level is the key support level to hold currently. If that breaks, you could see a drop down here to this level, which would be 575 or so. So yeah, with multiple red candles in a row, we are looking for a bounce next week, and the candles are now forming below. This chart shows the 50, the 100, and 200-day moving averages. So candles are now forming below all 3 levels. So going forward, if the candles continue to form below those 3 key support resistance levels, that will equal downside risk. And if candles forming above the 50-day moving average currently at 677 would equal upside potential. If you look down here at volume, you will see that it was a very low volume walk down. See the volume has been light, but the share price has been dropping. Look how it looks like it's walking downstairs, but it's been on very light volume. It hasn't been on heavy volume. And then you can see MACD line. There was a bearish crossover here in October, and it's been trending down. So yeah, this chart is showing that it's oversold. If you look at the next chart, this is the 15-minute chart. So each candle on this chart represents 15 minutes of trading, and this is a 4-day chart. And so this shows this red descending resistance line is the key level to break. The 50-day moving average at 646 is the key level to turn into support. As you can see back here on the 28th, that level broke, but it failed to turn that VBLT failed to turn that level into support. It became resistance and pulled back. So what bulls want to see, they want to see candles forming above 646, and then they want to see a break above the 100-day moving average at 659. As you can see on the 28th, that was the resistance level that failed to break, and then the pullback started. So going forward, candles forming above the 100-day moving average would put this 200-day moving average at 692 on deck. On the 15-minute chart, the Fasto is now back down into the bull zone. It's between 50 and 70, or 15 to 80. It was overbought for a little while there. As you can see, the RSI up here has had a hard time breaking 50. So bulls want to see RSI above 50. That would be a signal that strength is building. There was a bearish volume spike into the close there. See this red volume bar? So it's important to hold this ascending support line. Otherwise, you're going to see the 6 level tested. And you can see there was a bullish crossover around 1:30 on Friday down here on MACD. and so MACD is hooking, starting to hook down, but yeah, bulls want to see the MACD line stay above the signal line. Okay, let's look at the last chart here. This is the 15-minute chart again, but this chart shows the Bollinger Bands and EMAs 4 and 8. As you can see, back here on the 27th, this is a 15-minute chart, so each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. This is another 4-day chart. As you can see, there were bounces off the lower Bollinger Band, bounced, it traded above the middle Bollinger Band, failed to hold that level in the support, came back down, bam, bounced off of the lower Bollinger Band, failed to turn the middle Bollinger Band into support, pulled back, the middle Bollinger Band turned into resistance, and then the big pullback followed. Candles were riding EMAs 4 and 8 resistance lower, and then down here support was found in the 615 to 620 range, and so the bullish development on Friday was this break above the middle Bollinger Band at 215, and then the candle started forming above EMAs 4 and 8 for the first time since this since the end of day yesterday, or on the 29th. And so what you want to see is there was a close below the middle Bollinger Band on Friday, but bulls want to see the middle Bollinger Band at 627 turn into support. So going forward for Monday, what you want to do is be tracking this 15-minute chart with the Bollinger Bands and EMAs 4 and 8, and if you see candles forming above the middle Bollinger Band, that will signal upside potential, possible bounce happening. And then if this middle Bollinger Band turns into resistance on Monday and candles form below that level, that will signal downside risk, and this possible 550 to 6 range could possibly be tested eventually. So yeah, after 9 red candles in a row, this is extremely oversold, and we'll be looking for VBLT to be a nice bounce play next week. So thanks for viewing this chart. Be sure to check out our website. We have a free 10-day trial right now. We have a chat that we post real-time information throughout the day, and charts, videos, and educational information. And then we post daily videos and daily charts on our website. So yeah, I hope you had a great Halloween. Thanks for viewing this chart, and have a great day.